Undamit at Sinihan a Negosyo. Unpagva vloge ising negosyo at talento.
And what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. First, last year ago, in the July,
Culturang Pinoy, Panalo. Batong Sine for great educational and entertainment shows.
talagang lumilipad ang Ninong yung time na yun. Kinabook ni Ninong sa Japan, the episode.
Imagination for Real and Peg. Kapag Sinama and Vlog sa Negosyo.
And anyway, it's only a matter of 3 days after ng
Siguradong, Maganda and Benta. Moxiong Banat, sa Negosyo. Maculay at Masagay Signa Servicio.
yung may-ari ng Grab Philippines.
Anhari Nang Negosyo. At an Pambansang Ninong Vlogger. For the first time, Ninong will collapse with the King of Philippine Business for a great action of learning the businesses of Henry C. Ninong TV proudly presents with a collaboration of Lolo Pong and Mamu's video vlogs with your vlog presenter Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and to be roll as himself and the official meetup of Denver Castro with the King of Philippine Business Henry C. through Grave Edition. Si Tatang at Si Ninong. The Denver Castros finally meet up with Henry C. and discovering Henry C.'s XD for the cinema and cultura businesses and your very own Denver Castros businesses. Simulcast on Ninong TV April 29, 2024. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business, presented by Ninong TV with the collaboration of Lolo Pong and Mamu's video vlogs for great educational and entertainment vlog shows.
Welcome to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers, and also connected on our social media platforms just like Instagram, TikTok, Google. Also, we're in YouTube and Facebook once again, then Ninong TV. So today is another action of learning to discover the businesses of the King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. And today, for the video vlog that I will present it to you is something special. Or, bakit nga ba something special ang ating vlog for today? Dahil ngayon, ay pag-aaralan natin ang dalawang businesses ni Tito Henry, no? Na ngayon ay ma-unlock na natin sa kanyang mga 100 plus businesses na hindi natin alam. Ay meron tayong dalawang business na madidiscover sa kanya. Okay? At ito ang kanyang XD Cinema o kaya yung XD 4D Cinema and of course yung kanyang kultura Pilipino. Ito yung kultura, yung mga formal attire na pang Pinoy, yung mga barong, mga barot saya, mga ganon. And of course, the XD 4D Cinema is all about cinema. Another cinema business ng Tito Henry nyo ang madidiscover. Pero ano nga bang title ng ating video vlog ngayon? Okay. Ano nga ba? So the title will be Si Tatang at si Ninong. Wow! Nakasama ko sa kanyang journey. Si Tatang at si Ninong collab Wow! What is this? It's a very interesting video blog na i-discover sa ating Ninong TV. So, si Tatang at si Ninong, the Denver Castros finally meet up with Henry C.N. Okay, ang aming meet up. Wow, for the first time. We finally meet. Diba? At dito rin ay discover natin the Henry C's XD4D Cinema and Cultura businesses and your very own Denver Castros businesses. So, ito po yung aming meet up. So, hindi ko naman sinasabing nakita ko siya in the whole body na alam naman natin na matagal na siya nagbabay. So, what I mean, nakita ko po siya or I visit him in the grave, yung kanyang living. Okay? So, dito po madidiscover niyo po ang aming first time and very, very happy moments na nakita ko po ang Tito Henry nyo. Diba? Hindi yung literal na body. Baka sabihin may third eye ako. I'm seeing him. What I mean, yung kanya place. Diba? So, interesting po ang video vlog na to dahil kayo po ay may matututunan at makakadiscover ng excitement. Diba? Na yes, si Ninong, nakita na si Tito Henry. Diba? So, kasi since I was elementary days, high school days, ay gusto ko siyang makita nung nabubuhay pa siya. Kahit nasa box na siya, gusto ko pa rin siyang makita kahit nakabox na. Diba? Okay. So, pero bago naman mangyari yan, konting bitin muna. Siyempre, part of education and entertainment. Ano-ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng XD, 4D Cinema, at ng kultura ni Tito Henry nyo? Diba? Without him, wala din lahat ng to. Kaya, unahin muna natin yung kanyang mga businesses. Diba? Okay. So, first of all, the XD4D Cinema. At SM Cinema, Mall of Asia brings many new sensations to your movie watching experience. Catch the horror film Tragic Theater in our 4D Cinema. So, yung XD4D Cinema, ito yung tipong manonood tayo ng pelikula. Yes, of course. Pelikula naman talaga. Okay. But not only film, but we will wear those of the glasses, the 3D, 4D glass, and then we are feeling or having a moment na para tayo nandoon sa movie, di ba? Just like if we watch Chris Aquino, Bossing, Jackie Chan, Dinosaurs, Titanic, yun lalo na yung Titanic, di ba? Mapipil natin yung presence na kunwari, nasa barko tayo, kunwari lulubog tayo. Pero wag naman yung literal na barko, no, na sinasakyan natin. So, while you are sitting down on the chair that is moving, halimbawa, yung Titanic, lulubog na, pati ikaw, gagalaw ka din talaga. Ganun po yun, yung XD4D Cinema, na handog ng inyong Tito Henry para pas magkaroon ng excitement ang panunod ng sine sa ating SM. So, that is the XD4D. And we will also have the Kultura. Okay. Kultura Filipino is your one-stop shop for authentic and quality Philippine beers. Barong Filipiniana and local souvenir items. Support local. So, we have the XD40 Cinema and the Kultura. Sa Kultura, ito po by the way yung mga tipong we are wearing those of the formal attire, Filipiniana, barong, especially yung ating mga peoples na may atin ng organization, mga party, executives, lalo na yung mga senator, governor natin, dito bumibili ng mga barong, ng mga pang-Filipino outfit, just like we also have the backside, the shoes, yung ating mga bags, that is made from fiber or abaca. And of course, promoting our Philippine products, diba? Ang Tito Henry nyo kahit galing China, pusong Pinoy to serve our Filipino people, diba? Ganyan dapat ang patutularan natin, hindi yung ibang Chinese na umangkin ng ibang property. Sa Philippines Sea, di ba? West Philippine Sea. Yes. Shout out, shout out. So, dapat tularan natin siya ng mga sea. Diba? They love the Philippines. They protect us. They serve us. Even though they are Filipino-Chinese. Diba? Service nila para sa Philippines. Sana all. Diba? Sana all. Okay. Before that, sa ating next slides, unahin muna natin ang XD4D and Kultura slides of your Tito Henry. Enjoy.
Uy, ikaw lang. Pero, social si people.
Okay, you've just witnessed the XD4D cinema and the kultura of your Tito Henry. Kaya kung ikaw, lalo't summer ngayon, di ba? You're finding a great place where you can spend your vacation, your day off with your family and barkada, and some of your friends or even you kung gusto mo magsolo, you go to XD4D cinema and you will be happy. Happily ever after. Ay, iba pala yun. Happily watching. Diba? Kunwari, pinapanood mo yung mga Prince Charming nyo doon. Mga crush nyo sa pelikula. Somehow, parang feeling mo kasama mo sila. Diba? Parang yung ano yun, yung sa GMA, yung synergy, yung parang may sinusuot kayo ng concert si Alden, and then GMA is selling that kind of 3D glass on Alden Richards concert. Online concert siya due to pandemic. And then parang napipil mo, nahawakan mo siya. Parang feeling mo kasama mo siya. So parang ganun yung moment natin pag nag-XD4D cinema tayo. Diba? And of course, kultura, you're finding a great formula tayo. Hindi po to pang ano to pang kano to Okay. Yung mga bato, mga pang Pinoy. Okay? Okay. So, yon. Tsaka yung mga bags, mga perselas, somehow may mga earrings din sila, etc. So, bili-bili na po kayo. Nati 50% off din pong Tito Henry nyo dahil alam niya po na maraming nakakailangan. So, para ma-provide yung mga gusto ng tao, bibigyan niya tayo ng great action discount. Minsan may 3-day sale pa yan. Okay. We will have for the next episode is about Denver Castro. Your ninong. Okay, kasi si Tatang at si Ninong ang lesson natin ngayon. So, we are studying Henry C. and me. Oh, for the first time, nasali ako dito. Ako ang boss. Ako din ang mag-show sa sarili ko. Okay. Okay, dapat may mag-show din sa akin because I'm portraying Henry C. And I can manage na. I can do multitasking. So, for the first slide na-discover natin si XD, 4D, at si Kultura. Now, on the second show, we will have all about your ninong. At dahil dyan, nakapang Henry C. attire kasi ako. In 3 seconds, I will wear my ninong's outfit. 3, 2, 1, and start! Now, I'm your Ninong Denver Castro. At ngayon, I will vlog myself about myself. Okay. So, who is Denver Castro that has the connection of our vlog, si Tatang at si Ninong? Denver Castro is a Filipino businessman and video blogger and currently working as a charmer and theater actor. Oh. So, sa theater ako, hindi ako yung charmer na nagpapa-inlove ng mga jowa. Yun ang trabaho ko, no? My work is to give entertainment and to present a special show sa aking pinagtatrabahuan. Diba? And also, he is better known as Ninong, as initials, and promoting CSR, anti-pedophile, saving women and children's act, and philanthropist. O kasi pala donate ako, may liga ko tumulong sa kapwa, I promote CSR sa ating makakaya and for our simple action, simple way on how we can help the people and how we can bless others as we feel blessed. Diba? And of course, and he also promotes as the one Christian's relations or relationships. And also, I am becomes a former student council on his previous schools. Yeah. Naging student council ako. Like, I become a treasurer and also also a president in some of the school organization. Mga elementary days yun, okay? Tapos yung mga treasurer, peace officer, okay? And then, counselor, and representative of my BSBA, student marketing. Last 2019 to 2022. So, yun yung pinakamatagal kong service sa aking school. Okay. At dito rin pala, madidiscover natin ang businesses ng ninong nyo. Wow! Parang medyo kinabahan ako sa sarili kong slide. Sa iba ang tapang ko, ang lakas ko. Okay. Dito, I just overwhelmed of this one. Okay, so, ito yung mga businesses ng ninong nyo. So, aside from Ninong TV, ano nga ba yung iba ko pang iniintindi sa buhay? Okay. To serve the people and the economy. Diba? So, ano nga ba ang aking mga activity or aking business ika nga nila? I have my Ninong TV, Lily Princess and Kuya, that's a YouTube channel. Ninong Flix, Lolo Pong and Mamos Video Vlogs, DCC Real Estate. Sandali lang, konting paglilinaw lang. Baka isipin nyo may condominium na ako. Yung DCC Real Estate, I'm helping those of the people, my friends, my family, or other organization na maibenta yung kanilang properties. Okay? To have their commissions, services, and new home. Okay? Pero hindi ko sinasabing may sarili na akong SMDC. Ayaw kong kabugin si Tito Henry nyo. Okay. Oh, the best na yung SMDC niya. Hindi ko nakakabugin niya. Okay? So, I also have Castro Investments, Kokuya Investments, and also Ninong's Cafeteria, and also Christian's Playlist.
6.5 hours later.
Oh my goodness! Ang dami ko palang mga naging business. Okay. I also have Ninong TV TikTok branch, Ninong TV Instagram branch. Sa online to ha, baka isipin nyo yung building ha. Sa mga social media platform po ito. I also have Ninong TV in 5 FB album stations. Wow! Hindi ko alam to ha. And also I have AX Laptop or Acer Entertainment Corporation, DCC Foundations, ito yung mga CSR ko, yung mga helps, and of course DCC Corporation, Happy Bank and BNC Bank. May baka isipin nyo may bangko na ako, mag-withdraw kayo sa labas. Hindi pa po. This is my personal investment. Pero this is one of my dream in the past siguro, paano pa to, 30 years. Kasi kailangan ko pa mag-ipon para makagawa ng ganyan banking business. At marami pa tayong kakaining bigas. Diba? Para mangyari yun. And we also have DCC Junk Shop Sales. I also have the Christian's Playlist, the Jekyll Last Revival Vlog Specials, the Dinong sa Japan, HP Short Film.
A few moments later.
Cinema. Oh, narinig yung cinema, baka pumunta kayo sa mga sinihan. Hindi po yon. On our HP laptop, I do the PowerPoint slides, mga una kong vlogs for education and entertainment. Yun po yun. Under by the HP files. Okay? And some of that is also posted. And we also have SMB Vlog Specials, vlog content. Ayun, gawa ko yan for your Tito Henry. And we also have the Henry C. The King of Philippine Business vlog content. Ayun. My goodness, ito na pala yung mga nagawa ko, no? Oh, this is some of my present business vlogs or activity kung tawagin. Diba? So, somehow, yung iba dito nakapractice ka lang, yung iba dito ay baby pa. Diba? Hindi pa ganun ka super lucky kaya kay Tito Henry. No? But somehow, this is some of my a good practice on handling business. Diba? Ang Tito Henry nyo nga, 100 plus. Diba? So, ito yung parang training ground natin on handling some of the property that we dream to hold an organization and a business. Okay? Okay. So, for the next episode, yung tungkol sa aking mga properties, akala mo naman, mga vlog properties talaga, o yung mga online activities or services that I will give to all of my people, to serve the people and the economy. Okay? So, what's all about Denver Pastor? What's all about my Ninong TV and my services, business offer to all of you? Enjoy. Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. First time, syempre hindi ko maiwasan madulas. Ay talagang lumilipad ang ninong nitong time na yun. Kinabukasan, hindi masakit ang balakang ko. Kailangan ko mag-video. Okay. But anyway, it's only a matter of 3 days after naman. Okay.
Ito yung ating mga food sa baba. Ano ito? Nakapunta ka na dati? Hindi pa. Ako nga itong first timer. Okay. Nakwentuhan ata sila ni Tito Henry, hindi ko alam.
Yung muna, bamalaw pa. Ano muna na?
Okay. Wala lang.
Ito. Sa mga nagtatanong, ang hindi natin alam, yung may-ari ng Grab Philippines. dito sa ating country, Grab Philippines. Ang may-ari pala nito ay si John Rockwell.
Hindi naging maayos ang ating samahan sa nagdaang buwan. Pero gusto ko lang naman maging maayos tayo. Kaya dami-dami mo nang ginagawang kasalanan, like magulo ka.
This year or last year. So welcome to my video vlog, and last year ago, in the July or August 2020.
Thank you.
To all of you, once again, this is Ninong sa Japan, the episode 26. Wow! We are going longer in our previous episode, and on this episode, I will give you another food trip that will be perfect for your family and friends.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay ng aking kumagaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Okay, thank you for watching. You just discover your Ninong, all about myself, my business activity, services of Ninong TV, and some of the particular that your Ninong doing to serve the people and the economy and my family and my friends, of course. Because this is also business, so na-practice ko rin yung pagiging Henry C. Diba? So, ang natutunan ko naman dito, be proud and be happy, long patience, and work hard, love your work. Kasi lahat naman ng bagay, lahat naman ng meron tayo is galing sa ating Lord, diba? Jesus. So, they are our number one provider. Kung anong meron tayo, let's expand it, let's improve them, diba? So, no matter how big or small or many, especially many, na meron tayo, ipagpasalamat natin kasi blessing yun. And sipag at tiyaga, dasal, at maghanap lang tayo ng pwedeng kapartner. So, prayer, sipag at tiyaga. We can win, we can survive our vlog kahit ito man ay 100 plus, 50 plus, 20 plus, diba? So, kasi naisip ko nga si Tito Henry yun, diba? So, naisip ko lang din, diba? In every single moment, every day that we live, from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. or up to 12 midnight, kasi minsan na dami na talagang ginagawa sa buhay. All of your activity that you do every day is your business. Halimbawa, pagkagising mo sa umaga, kakain ka, pray ka muna, syempre, kasi buhay ka. Tapos, kakain, ligo, ano pa ba? O, three activity na yun. We will go to school, o sa school, you have 10 subjects or 10 books. So, kunwari yun daw yung business mo. Math, science, math, English, Filipino, etc. So, pretend or think that that is one of your business. Pagpasok pa lang yun ng school, you have those of 10 activity to do. O, pag uwi mo ng bahay, you will do assignment, you will do vlogging, o, business na yon. O, may time ka pa maglaro or mamasyal sa SM ng Tito Henry nyo. Diba? Or somehow, ipupunta ka sa restaurant, kakain with your family. And then, your next activity, hindi ka pa matutulog. Meron ka pang gagawin isang project sa MAPE. And then, 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. sharp, matutulog ka na. O, diba? So, it's just like, activity that you do every day is your business also. At kailangan lang natin talaga ng prayer, sipag at tiyaga, patience to handle those of that particular. Diba? Tito Henry nyo 100 plus ang iniintindi. Diba? Action businessman pa rin talaga. Kahit siya ay naka-wheelchair na at sa huling hininga ng kanyang mga buhay, tayong iniisip niya everyday na mapatronize ating mga tao. So, kahit sa mga simpleng bagay, just like yung Grab, kailangan ng pagkain, kailangan ma-deliver yung file, Henry C can help you and to provide what you need and what you want sa pamamagitan ng Grab niya. Diba? So, yun lang din. No matter how many properties that we have, literal, pagdating ng panahon, pagka dumaming ating property, lumaki yan. So, kakayanin natin. Diba? Sipin natin that is one of our subject, diba? Or a lesson or activity that we can do or we can build every day. Diba? So, eto na nga ang pinaka-hinihintay nating episode, kaya nagbalik formal attire na naman ako. Dahil, for the first time in the forever, okay, for the first time, ang ninong nyo at si Tito Henry C ay nagkita at magkikita sa episode na ito. Ito na ang ating hinihintay. The Henry C and Denver Castro's Meet Up. Okay. So, ito na nga po ang ating hinihintay. So, ito na nga po yung hinihintay nating episode na kami po ay magkikita sa isang lugar kung saan siya po ay naka-chill. Alam niyo na kung ano yun. Diba? chill-chill muna ang Tito Henry sa daming 100 plus na inasikaso. So ako naman ang makipagkita sa kanya. For the next episode, eto na po ang aming pagkita.
Ito ang istorya ng isang binata na nangarap makita ang iniidolo niyang negosyante.
An empty street, an empty house, a hole inside my heart. I'm all alone, the rooms are getting
Na naging dahilan ng kanyang pagiging masipag at maging malakas para sa kanyang mga pangarap.
I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang together. Oh yeah. And all my love, I'm holding on.
Ang pagkikita ni Denver Castro at ni Mr. Henry C. True Grave Edition.
So I say a little prayer and hope my dreams will take me there. Where the sky
Ang isang legit SM boy
once again, my love.
at isang SM owner. Sa isang pagkakataon, sila'y magkikita.
See you once again.
Ang negosyanteng may hawak ng 100 mahigit na negosyo at ang fanboy niyang mayroong 100 pangarap sa buhay. 6,000 ways to make things happen. At eto na!
Ito muna. Okay, okay na yan.
What's up with you? This is your Filipino. Kasama ko na po si Mr. The King of Philippines. And I can believe that after many years ng aking village life, going to FM Supermall, ay pinapangarap kong makita si Mr. Indian. Ito lang na talagang very heartwarming. Grabe, nalilig ako. Patabi ko na po ang hari ng negosyo, Mr. Henry. Talagang I will making business plans and have a business trip together with Loreto of Henry. So, ayun. Papakita natin. Ito po yung kanyang area, yung kanyang selfie, o tignan nyo naman. Naalala ko tuloy yung ang agima ni Tatang na ginamit kong profile na. So, Mr. Henry C. Due to the health protocols na rin at privacy ng C family, ay siya po ay naka-cross. But don't worry kasi makinis naman yung kanyang glass. You can have a picture, video, with Henry C. Ayan. So, I'm very happy. And of course, Mr. Henry, thank you. Without you, walang SM. Baka nasansan kaming palengke nag-shopping. But you build the SM. And some of the business properties in the Philippines and even around the world. Diba, dami mong CSR, pagtulong sa kapwa. It does you also helping the people. Kaya ang nyo ay inspired to vlog and become your AKA NPC. Talagang ito na si Idol, hindi ako makakalimutan. Kasama ko na po si Mr. Red. Okay. Kasama ko si Dati. Sure kami. Ayan. Just witness Henry C. and your very own Denver Ninong Castro na kami po ay nag-beat finally. Share ko lang sa inyo. Matagal ko na siyang gustong makita. Since I am going to SM Supermall, kasi anong year ba ako pinaka? 1998. So 1990s, when I was a baby, dinadala na ako ni Mami at Daddy sa SM. So baby pa lang pala, SM na talaga. Hanggang ngayon. Okay. So, siguro in the late 2007, hindi ko talaga alam kung sino may-ari ng SM. Basta I'm all in SM. But I saw in SM before is yung parang tarpaulin siya sa isang stage that you will discover yung isang lalaking naka-formal attire, tapos yung mukha niya nandun with the SM MOA. So that picture pala is representation of Henry. Siya pala yung may-ari. So, later on, late 2010 ko na research who is the owner. So siya pala yun. Yung nakita kong guwapings na dito. Di ba? Si Tito yun. Na talagang yung naka-portrait doon sa MOA. So, I also imagine and I get admired yung kanyang SM. Talagang dami. Services, the best mall. And doon, hindi ko rin alam. Nakala ko SM lang yung businesses niya. Kaya naisip ko, siya ang pinaka-big time sa Pilipinas, pero ang business niya isa lang, SM. But I don't know that SM has a many branch. At least we are now educated on this special plan. And then that was my memory. Luckily, also my mommy is with Henry C. nung buhay pa. So, nasa SM before, like lately 2003 or 2 or 2001, something like that. Na nagkiraw sa SM Bacoor. And now, my dream is to see him in the 2013, 2014, 15. Umabot na sa moment na wala na siya. So, I get cry of that moment. And then, sabi ko, gusto ko pa rin siyang makita in a bit. And then, 5 years ago, after siya nagbabay sa akin, na-meet ko na rin siya finally sa Heritage. At doon, hinihintay ako ng Tito Henry yung bumili. In that moment, I'm very happy. I feel lahat ng happy mga ginawang mga business also pay tribute to me. Makita siya, that's the reward after making because of the show ng kanyang vlogs. Kaya, si family and of course to Mr. Henry C. Thank you. I'm very happy to meet you. Kahit nakakahon ka na, okay ka pa. Okay pa rin yung meet up natin. Diba? Looking good pa rin ang Tito Henry. Okay. So talagang that time, the first time I met him, okay na talaga. Sabi ko, ito yung may maraming 100 businesses. May business sa China, may hari ng SM, of course. Sabi ko nga, kung wala siya na si baka sa palengke or sa some malls kami na pupunta. But luckily, Henry was born. Of course, I'm doing this because of him. So, ayun, my happy experience of meeting Henry in real. Pero nakakakot siya, okay? Kasi alam nyo naman. Okay. Siyempre, kung meron tayong Tatang at Ninong business vlogs and our services to help and serve the people and the economy, hindi mawawala ang aming tokens of appreciation to bless and to help others. At ito na nga po yung CSR. Anong CSR ang pwedeng gawin ni Tito Henry sa kanyang kultura at sa kanyang XT4D cinema to help the people, the economy, and the nation? Diba? And of course, your Ninong, ano nga bang pwede kong gawin to help the people? Somehow, on some of my video vlog, na-discover nyo na rin yung mga activity ko on how I help the people and to serve them. And you will watch it again dito sa episode na ito. Check it out, the Henry C. and your Ninong Denver's collab in helping people.
Always have a will for your dedications and hard work. From your Denver Ninong Castro, giving you my hugot and action of business. And thank you to Mr. Henry C. to see you and to having you in SM. Thank you for having a happiness with you in SM and me and my family for through the years. Business Idol.
The season of total love and care is here again, and I am ever there for you before we go over to the next year from your Henry C, giving you my action in guiding business and life. And thank you also to Denver Ninong Castro for your happiness and trusting me. On my SAM and your family, it's our pleasure to give you the best experience on our services.
Thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog. And the title once again is Si Tatang at Si Pino. The Denver Castros finally meet up with Henry C. and discovering Henry C's ex-4D cinema and kultura businesses. Maraming salamat po. And sa mga nagtatanong kasi alam ko, idol yan si Tito Henry. Siya po ay nakahimlay sa Heritage Manila, that is in Taguig City. So huwag kayong matakot or huwag kayong mahiyang pumasok kasi po napakabait po ng mga gwardiya doon. Hindi nyo na po kailangan magdala ng ID, na kung ano-anong pass, or any paper na gusto nyo pumasok kay NSC po. Just tell the guard, such si Mr. NSC, and they will guide you there. So, they are open from morning up to 5 p.m. Okay? That's every day. Kasi pumunta kami dyan ni Daddy no December 23. So, pinaka-Christmas trip namin sa isa't isa. Of course, to see my idol. So, ayun po, apunta kayo sa Heritage Taguig. That is very free. So, no charges to see your idol. And I think nandun din po yung mga other celebrities, just like si Mr. Dolphy, Rudy, si Mr. Paquito Diaz, and some of the celebrities na naka-imply. And of course, hindi lang si Henry C. Nakita ko pala that time, nandun din po yung kanyang apo na last 2021 lang nagbabay. Yung anak po ni Henry C. Jr., si Miss John Catherine C. Nandun din po siya sa likod ng pwesto ni Tito Henry. Okay? So, sa lahat po, libre naman po pagpasok sa Heritage. So, you're not, hindi nyo na kailangan magdala ng kung anong document, ID, or any pass or charges. It's free. So, sasabihin nyo lang nicely to Kuya Guard, "Hi sir, good afternoon, saan po rin kay Mr. NSC?" They will give you the way. Kasi alam naman ng Tito Henry yun na love na love kayo niya. The fans, and of course, diba, makita siya kahit nakahiga na siya. That's the free moment. So, walang bodyguard. You just see him on the dun sa tawag niya, yung nicho. Pero share ko lang sa inyo due to privacy na rin, due to the protection of the C family na rin. Hindi kasi siya yung open talaga. Meron siyang harang na glass, pero napakakinis naman nun. Pwede mo siyang mabit at mapilip pa rin. So, at malapit naman siya sa iyo. When you stand over there, parang tiles, katabi mo lang doon, yun na mismo. Diba? Parang mo na talaga siya, mapipili mo na siya. Of course, kasama na yung picture frame na. Diba? So, punta na kayo, if you're free, and you will also amaze and make some vlog also. Kasi yung ibang vlogger ngayon, ito na rin yung content, yung pagbisita nila kayo. Okay, maraming salamat po, and see you again for my another video vlog. Subscribe Ninong TV in all social media platforms that we have. And of course, you can buy this vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screenshot record. If you wanted to present this on your school, your work, family, and medyo hassle kasi yung internet baka maubos or data, download this, save it to your USB or on your memory card or on your gallery. Present it without data charge and watch it anytime. And you can also post it on your own social media platforms. Kaya nyo siya nabili ng 150. It means that this also yours. To spread the good education and entertainment brought to you by Ninong TV. Okay, maraming salamat po. And see you again sa ating video vlog. Bye and take care.
An empty street, an I hold inside my heart. I'm all alone, the rooms are getting smaller. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang together, oh yeah. And oh my love, I'm holding on forever, reaching for a love that seems so far. So I say a little prayer and hope my dreams will take